Today I'm going to be completely restoring this bike and modding it to be 48 volts and 1,000 watts. Hopefully nothing explodes or anything tragic happens. Alright, this is the bike we're working with. It's pretty dirty, pretty old. I mean, the tires are cooked. This tire isn't even on. And the headset's gone. So we're going to put this controller on and this battery. And then we're going to use the motor, and this thing should go pretty fast. Alright, let's get into it. I was working on the suspension here, and look under here. Look how rusted this bike is. That can't be good. We got all the electronics removed. It's now time for power washing. Now that we got the bike all clean, it's time for the mods. Alright, we gotta change the plans. We're gonna use this as our battery. And I'm gonna change up this seat post, or the seat, with this one. Alright, now that we got the seat mounted, it's time for the controller. I got the speed controller on and the battery, and now it's time for the motor.
You're so impressive, man.
Alright, now I got the solders up. I'm gonna fit the motor back on, and then we're gonna fit all the speed controllers, the throttles, the controls, everything. And we're gonna start the build. So after testing for a while, the motor does not work. I'm probably gonna have to re-solder it or get a new motor. Like and subscribe so I can buy a new motor.